Hey, hello viewers, welcome back to Telugu once again. It's me Pawan guys, and I'm from India. Uh, Hello all, welcome back to all Indonesian viewers, and today I'm back with one of the trending video in Indonesia. I just searched for what's trending in Indonesia, then I found this Despacito versi, Pengamen, jalanan, I don't know how to pronounce it. I just want to react to this because Despacito is I think it's a Spanish song maybe. It's even trending in India too, but I never heard the original song, but my friends did, and it's not that understanding. The song is not at all what is it? I didn't understand the lyrics at all. My friends also, they don't know the meaning at all, but I never heard the song. I just want to check this. Okay, let's start my reaction guys, let's start it. It's a street, it's just he performed in the street and he got 22.4 million views, right? And that's a great, buddy. It's talent. Is that Spanish or he changed it to Indonesia? Okay, it's Spanish maybe. My sunrise in the darkest day got me feeling some kind of way. And we wanna savor every moment slowly. You pay me tell me how you put it on. Carrying on again how you do it on. The way you never all my ear, the only ones I wanna hear. Baby, take it slow so we can last long too. Tú eres somebody, yo soy a meta. I can't even understand this, but he's too good at singing and guitar. He's a guitarist too. He's doing both the jobs simultaneously. That's awesome, buddy. Despacito, Despacito, Despacito. I think he's trying to get into DA4 Academy maybe. I think Fildan Rahayu also entered into DA4 like this. He's been performing some songs in the street and wedding functions maybe like that. Then he got into DA4 and became a rock star of Indonesia. Sorry buddy, I can't understand this. Let's stop this. Okay, that's my reaction guys. I can't even understand a single word what he's singing. I can't even hum because I don't know the song at all. I didn't even heard the original song too. Sorry for ending it earlier. What's more, don't forget to recommend me more videos guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. Thanks for supporting my channel from Indonesia guys, it really means a lot to me. Thanks so much for that, and bye bye guys. We'll meet you in my next reaction. Until then, take care, bye bye.